Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very collective and very unique design ideas based, that is, I haven't discussed in my previous videos that how you can make embroidery patterns very elegantly, very decently within a very less amount of time, only 3 minutes. Within this racing amount of time, in this racing life routine, we have not much time, but we want at the same time best quality products within less time consumed stuff. So this video collection is absolutely for you friends. These are only 3 minutes hand embroidery patterns, that is, in 3 minutes you can make the whole face mask pattern. All of these are very beautiful, light, elegant, decent, simple and beautiful designer style patterns of embroidery for face mask, and all age group, all gender persons could easily wear them. Older ones, younger ones, teenagers, kids, adults, everyone, girls, boys, kids, children, men, women can easily wear these. They are handmade, hand sewn, along with adjustable elastic ear straps, and they give maximum high level full protection against corona, because covid is in its full wave with its third layer and is massively continuously affecting human life, and it has no mood of turning back and leaving humans beside. So it is our duty to keep ourselves protected, to stay safe by taking precautionary measures, and wearing mask is the only possibility with which you can save yourselves. So some other precautionary measures to maintain a social distancing: wash your hands, use proper sanitizer while going out, and kindly do take diet high in minerals, vitamins, especially in vitamin C. And thank you so much for watching. Kindly do try these patterns. Very easy patterns, very decent and elegant, beautifully made patterns, and only an effort of 3 minutes is required to make the whole pattern. Customized initial letters of name hand embroidered mask are also being shared to make a customized mask with the name alphabet starting with your name. So thank you so much. Hope to see you soon back in my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.